Hey guys, this is Hoshang here, co-founder of Airbook. Today I'm going to show you how snapshotting works on Airbook. So snapshotting is a feature that stores or takes a snapshot of your historical records of your database. For example, HubSpot deals or Google Analytics traffic. So you can select any data source and the table you want to snapshot, and it stores the historical records so you can understand what are the pipeline movements looking like, what's causing the fluctuations, etc. So let me show you how it works. Here are three dots on the table. I've already queried my HubSpot deals that lets you create a snapshot. So for example, if I move over to my HubSpot and I change my amount from, say, on day one it was 600, but I come to the amount again and I change it to 500 tomorrow. So on HubSpot, it's pretty hard to report on such activities because it does not store what was the previous value of the amount field on HubSpot. But Airbook lets you do that. So let me save this snapshot as daily deal snapshot. And I'm going to select the metric I want to track. I want to particularly track my amount fields. And then I can add in against what I want to track. So I can have my deal name, account name, contact ID, deal stage, and I want to look at my contact name, close lost reason, or any of these different fields that you want to track your amount against. And you select the frequency, whether you want Airbook to take a snapshot of this table on a daily, weekly, or a monthly schedule. So let me go ahead and click daily, and I schedule the snapshot over here. From here, it's pretty easy to then query and understand your snapshot results. So on the right hand side, you'll see I have a snapshot table under HubSpot and the snapshot that I created, which is the daily deal snapshot. Hit query and it gives me the table of everything that has changed on a daily basis, depending on what I had selected. So for example, this gives me the original amount, the change of amount, what was the previous amount prior to the new amount that was added in, what was the percentage change, and this particular field is the field you want to plot your graph against, which is the execution timestamp. So this tells you that on day one, this was the amount, day two, the amount changed by 50%, and what really impacted or which deal was it associated with. So let me show you how you can easily plot a graph and understand your pipeline fluctuations. So you create a chart block, you select the snapshot table, and first, let me plot it against the execution timestamp, and I want to see the amount, and I also want to see the amount change. So this, for example, gives me an analysis that on day one my pipeline was 22.87 million. Day two we added 900k. Day three we added 2.7 million, but day four we removed 1.8 billion from my pipeline. Now, you might want to dig deeper into it in terms of understanding what's causing these fluctuations. So let me show you how you can do that. So you can let me actually only look at the amount change. So this is what I have removed or added to my original pipeline, and I can split it by different aspects. So for example, if I want to split it by deal stage to understand which deal stage did we add these amounts into, or I want to split it by sales rep to understand who impacts a lot of fluctuations on my pipeline. And I can also filter these results by specific deals to understand how my deal has changed over time. So let's look at an example where I select a deal name and I select the deal I want to track, and it gives me a plot against how that deal has progressed over time in terms of the fluctuations of the amounts while it's in the pipeline. So that's how snapshotting works on Airbook. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.